Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Ecom Academy, and for today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create and manage a mail listing. Now without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just gonna open up my computer browser and in my Weebly website. Now in order for you to manage an email listing, first we have to select an element right here to which we can actually have an email listing. So for now, I'm just gonna select a newsletter form. So the newsletter form allows you to have a mail section in your website. So just simply drag anywhere on the website that you like. So I'm just gonna put it in the footer right here, right about there. And as you can see, you have automatically your email listing right about here. Now you can actually click this one to edit, so you can go to view entries right here. So as you can see, we have only one entry right about here. And next is the form option. So under form options, you can edit the forms on your email listing. So I'm just going to select form options, and you have a form name right about here. So I'm just going to select or rename the form name. So I'm just going to select email. And now this is your email address when potential customers will actually subscribe to this newsletter or subscribe to your email. You'll be directly notified to your email registered on your Weebly. And now you can toggle on the Google CAPTCHA and the confirmation message. You can actually select a confirmation message or link a confirmation message if you like. And next is the spacing right about there. You can actually edit this one and the bottom margin. And lastly, you can edit the button like right about there, or anything that you like. So next is all you need to do is click on save, and now you are good to go. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!